Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unbiased review of TikTok's Wavytalk heated hairbrush. I guess the set. I went with the one that has the 3 different attachments and then the anti-heat glove or protective glove, whatever you want to call it. Just a little insight, this usually supposedly says it goes for $200, but I swear it's always on sale. So I think that's just the way that they mark up the price. But I believe I got this set for $69. I love the way that people style their hair with this, especially people with tons of layers. And I do have a few layers that I would just like to enhance, and I hate my hair right now. I hate the length, I hate the frizziness. I'm actually growing out a wavy perm that I got in Korea a couple months back, and it's made it like super frizzy and just, I don't know, just not cute. I'm not feeling it, so I'm hoping that this helps in the meantime while I grow out this texture. Anywho, let's go ahead and test this out together. I'm assuming that you plug this in while it's not plugged into the wall. It has a little attachment here, and you hold that down and then press it in until it locks. Yeah, that feels secure. I'm using the smallest head because my hair is short and I feel like it's what makes the most sense. It looks like it goes all the way to 420, which is nice if you have thicker, more coarse hair. I'm gonna do 390 just to avoid heat damage. It's heating up pretty fast. It's at 176. So what I see people do is they flip out the bottom layers and then the top layers they flip inward. So I'm gonna try that and see how I like it. I'm gonna brush out my hair, and don't mind my really dirty hairbrush, that's just red hair dye. That's what happens when you dye your hair red for like a million years, stains everything. I don't normally brush my hair through because then it gets like super puffy. I'm gonna try not to grab too much hair. Sometimes I do that when I'm impatient, and that's why it doesn't turn out cute. What I'm trying to do is flip out this bottom layer. I think I need to do even thinner sections. Let me do that. This glove is super helpful, by the way. I feel more secure. Ooh, that's cute. Except, how do I get to the root without burning my ear? Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, I think I could get used to this. I miss my old texture so much because it was less wavy than this. It was like so much easier to style. Dude, I didn't use heat protectant, oh my gosh. Also, I hate how heat protectant kind of wets the hair, and I'm like, hopefully that doesn't mean that it's gonna burn more because it's wet now. I don't know. Oh, it smells so good, that spray, if you guys were wondering. I like how that looks. The back is always the hardest. I guess I could kind of just bring it to the front. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's go to the next layer. How do I get up here? Okay, this is probably just user error. I mean, this is way easier than trying to do a blowout like 100%. My hand doesn't hurt. This is super lightweight, which is nice. The extension cord is pretty long. You guys can't see it, but it's like plugged in pretty far there. Will I ever remember? We'll see. Ooh, let's brush that out. Also, ignore my grown out roots. I have an appointment in like a week or 2. I just don't have the time to go like every 6 weeks. It's not possible. I feel like this glove is like necessary. This gets pretty hot in my opinion. Just want each layer to really stand out, or maybe my layers are kind of grown out. Ooh, that's looking pretty cute. Okay. Damn, I didn't realize how much my hair grew. Let's see, what have I been up to besides working, hanging out? I've been rewatching Girls, and it's the most like privileged white show in the world, but it is so freaking funny still. Like, I've like memorized all the jokes by now, but it still gets to me. Hannah's like the most self-absorbed, entitled person in the world, but I guess that's what makes her feel kind of real. Adam's one of my favorites for sure. He's so funny. Yes, I know he's problematic. I love diagnosing fictional characters, and I feel like Adam is definitely on the spectrum. Shoshana for sure has ADHD, and maybe neurodivergent as well. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm blanking on everyone else's names. Let me know if you watch Girls, who's your favorite character and why. I know it's an older show, but I feel like if you're in your 20s, you'd probably enjoy it. I'm enjoying using this so far. I feel like I have a couple little kinks up here, but you can pretty much get up to the root without it overheating the scalp, which is nice. I hope I told you guys that the mirror's back here, and that's why I'm kind of looking away from the camera. Okay, I think since we're kind of like in the middle of my head, I'm gonna start curling inward just to get that really nice like, you know what I mean? Next time I do something like this, I'm gonna do like a Q&A on my Instagram or something. It's a lot easier to flip out in my opinion than to flip in. Let's see how that's going. Also, I think my layers might be a little grown out. Dude, as always, one side is easier to style than the other side. There we go. Maybe I should have kept flipping it out. I think I just wish my layers were more defined. Oh my gosh, I've been severely neglecting the back because there's like a big chunk of hair back here. I swear, having a lot of hair is a blessing and a curse, that's for sure. Okay, how am I supposed to do the back? Maybe if I like kind of pull it up and down. Yeah, there we go. Okay, next. Usually to get this like faux blown out look, I use heated curlers. For some reason lately, whenever I do the heated curlers, the curls don't last and then my hair is super frizzy, like insanely frizzy. And I have a suspicion it's because of the texture of my hair now with the perm. I'll let you guys know in the description how this holds up. How's it looking? Let me know in the comments. Is the back okay? Yes? No? I hope so. I'll be very embarrassed. Not really. We're almost there, guys. Can you believe it? I think for this one, I'm gonna do all of it flipped out like this. I'll show you guys what I mean. Just to get that really nice volume in the hair. Oh my god, my hair is so long. It's out of the frame. How crazy. Okay. See that? Okay. Let's see what the back is looking like. Probably not bad. It's looking pretty smooth to me. Hopefully there's no like weird little wavy parts that I missed that I can't see. I broke my handheld mirror, so I will only know when I watch this video back. I really like how it turned out. You can see some like layering here and not so much here for some reason, but it's my first time, so maybe I did something wrong. I feel like I made my hair look pretty smooth, pretty healthy. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with the results. I would say it's pretty easy to maneuver once you get the hang of it. I definitely still need practice, of course. Like I'm gonna try curling my hair with it, try the different attachments, but it wasn't too bad for my first time, and it's certainly way better than trying to do a blowout with a brush and a blow dryer. I just accepted that that is not a skill that I have or I can attain, and that's okay because I have many other useful skills. Anywho, so my final thoughts are that definitely do not pay full price for this, and I would say get the set instead of just the singular brush. I just feel like it's a lot more useful, especially if you change up your hair a lot from like short to mid-length to long. Keep in mind, if your hair is very curly, very coarse, it might just be a little bit more difficult to get like that really smooth texture. I mean, I feel like you could still achieve it, but I think it'd probably take a lot more effort. If you are unable to achieve a classic blowout, it will make your life so much easier, and honestly, I'm glad I bought it. No regrets. I hope this video was helpful to those of you who have been debating getting your hands on this brush. I will put the link down below. Like if you like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.